what you're going to do is come over to this Windows button here and then right click on it. You're going to see this drop down, click on run. When you click on run, just type service MSC. Okay, you can see it here, services MSC, and then click on OK. So when you do that, this is going to open up. So just go down and look for Windows updates. Okay, just scroll down and look for Windows updates. Okay, here is it. When you do that, you right click on it. These options are going to come out. Okay, so click on properties. When you click on these properties right now, you have the option of how you want your updates to occur, right? So you can see startup type. My own is on manual, so I choose to update it. But once I get a notification, I update it. Okay, so you just have to click on this drop down here and then you select, right? Just disable it. Okay, so when you disable it, just click on OK. All right, or apply. All right, so I hope this video helps you. Thank you.